Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. Today, I'm going to be bringing you a short story about greetings and introductions for intermediate level English learners. So let's get started. It was Anna's first day at her new school. She felt a little nervous. She didn't know anyone yet. As she walked into the classroom, a pretty girl smiled at her. "Hi, I'm Lisa," the girl said. "What's your name?" "I'm Anna," she replied, smiling back. "Nice to meet you, Anna," said Lisa. "Where are you from?" "I'm from Italy. And you?" "I'm from Texas," said Lisa. "Do you want to sit with me?" "Yes, thank you," Anna said happily. Later, they talked more. They asked each other about their favorite foods, hobbies, and music. By the end of the day, Anna was not nervous anymore. She had made a new friend, and it all started by saying hello. Question number 1. Where did Anna meet her new friend? Question number 2. What was her friend's name? Question number 3. Did they talk about their weekend plans? Question number 4. Did everything start by saying hello or by saying goodbye? I hope you enjoyed today's intermediate listening comprehension exercise, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.